Building a membership website with WordPress is easier than you think, especially when you're using Youzify. In this video, we'll show you how to build a fully functional membership site using Youzify, available right in the WordPress plugin directory. Once installed, Youzify gives you access to a beautiful, fully customizable registration and login page, allowing visitors to easily register and log into your website. It looks great on all devices and blends seamlessly into your site design. Your members will also have access to a personal profile page where they can upload their avatar, change their profile banner, and manage their personal details. This adds a personal touch and makes every profile feel unique. One of the most powerful features is the members directory. It allows users to browse other members in their community, search by name or filter by role, and even connect or follow each other. This feature is key to building engagement and connection. With Youzify, you are not just creating a login system, you are creating a complete social membership platform that's interactive, dynamic, and ready to grow with your audience.